So are you looking for HogOn Welding merch on Amazon Prime? I'll show you what you do. You got to put it in separate. HogOn Welding. And then put in what you're looking for. Like right here it popped up pillows, hoodies. Now, I'm going to show you some of my stuff. Like I say, some stuff is others, but you see the hog. So when you go in, just separate the HogOn like this. And you can just put what you want. You could put t-shirts. So just wanted to give an update. I had a few people asking me about my clothing on Amazon Prime, on Amazon. It was like, I didn't know it was on there. I'm like, yes, it's on there. So when you go to Amazon, all you have to do is just put in HogOn Welding and what type of clothing you're looking for. We have t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, pop sockets, phone cases, different type of clothing items. So when you get a chance, just check us out. HogOn.